Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, stockmarketmentor.com, and it's Tuesday, May 24th. In this free video, I want to look at Tractor Supply. First, though, I'm not even going to wait till the end. I'm inviting you to join Stock Market Mentor. First 30 days on me, free. If you don't like it, if you're not getting anything out of it, then definitely cancel. And I get it. It's okay. I don't want your money if you don't want to be a member. But we are doing really well in a pretty tough market, and it's just based on being in the right place at the right time. And I want you to be a part of that. I want you to see my videos if you haven't already. Members, that's all. I know you're watching this going like, dude, get off of the sales. I got it. I'm a member. Talk about Tractor Supply. So here I'm talking about Tractor Supply. This is a pretty solid pattern here. I'll show you the weekly chart in just a second, but you see, you know, a pretty steady uptrend here. And then look at this. I won't draw pretty lines, just lines. Down, up to kind of test this level over here, and a failure. Back down to test like kind of this level here, or I guess you could say here. I'll bet this was like August 24th. Every stock except inverse ETFs spiked like that. So it comes down here, and then we're moving back up, and finally a breakout above this level. So basically we have this type of thing and a big old W pattern here that hasn't quite completed itself. Hence why I'm covering this now. Now, I believe just last week I featured Tractor Supply in a chart of the day, because my point on that was, and I know we covered this a few times in stock market or in the premium videos, Tractor Supply Company is not Macy's, it's not Nordstrom, it's not JCPenney. The stuff you get on when I looked at their website, you could get $100 off a rideable lawnmower. Okay, I guess you could buy that on Amazon, but you probably won't. If your horse is cold and you need a horse blanket, you're going to go to Tractor Supply. You're probably not going to get that on Amazon. My point is that this is different. It's one of those stores that's different. So I was looking at this at like 92 bucks. I'm looking at it now at 95. And this is what I'm looking for. And if you look at the weekly chart, you get a better sense of what's happening. Long term, fine. That was then, if only this was then. But when you look at it in this time frame, you can see a big trend, prolonged consolidation like for a while. A big trend, prolonged consolidation. I mean, this has been going on for almost a year, trading sideways, which is why I'm looking at this. The last high back here was 96.28. This high, 97.25. So let's call it 97. If this stock starts moving to a new high, and I will say 98. If you're a member, you'll get a price alert with this video, so you'll know what to do. If you're not a member, set a price alert on your software for 98 bucks. My contention is that if Tractor Supply starts trading above 98 bucks, that's too close to 100 for 100 to actually stop it. It'll probably pause there and hiccup a bit, but my bet is if it starts trading above 98 bucks, it'll only be a few months before this $20 between or this $15 or so between the bottom and the top gets stacked on to the other side. Should go up to 110. Frankly, my bet would be more like 120. So anyway, that's it for this free chart video. Hope to see you guys over on Stock Market Mentor. Members, nothing but semis and a few smoking stocks.